Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some more fall and winter hairstyle ideas. Here we have someone chop off their beautiful curly wavy hair. And next we move into this layered copper colored style. This is actually one of my favorite hair trends for the fall. It combines two hot trends in one, the look of the layers as well as that gorgeous copper color. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Next up, we have a nice little mixie haircut. She's got the bottleneck bangs going here. Ooh, look at this two-tone colored bob. So she's got the blonde going there in the front as well as an undercut. Very cute style. And then we have another color transformation. So she ends up going with this bold red with the dark black ends. Now, another very popular hair color trend that we are seeing this fall is actually the look of chocolate colored hair. We saw a lot more blondes during the summer, but now it is chocolate girl season. So we are seeing this beautiful variety of chocolate styles. Here we have this feathered bob. Gorgeous chocolate color here. And then here we have a 90s inspired retro hairstyle. So I wanted to include a lot of longer hairstyles in today's video. I know I often showcase shorter looks, but for those of you who do like to wear your hair long, we have this cute 90s inspired updo. This used to be a go-to style of mine in the 2000s and the 90s. I just loved doing my hair exactly like this, really. Such a cute way to just keep your hair up. And then, of course, she has the curtain bangs framing her face. The stylist does a double bun. And if you guys do want to see more longer styles, just be sure to like today's video. Really lets me know that you want to see more. So we have another color transformation here. So it looks like she's going peachy so far. So the stylist is putting in some tape-in extensions to kind of give more of a thicker appearance and then cut the hair into layers. The color is really pretty. It's like a really soft peachy tone. Almost, wow, so beautiful. I love the intertwining of the peach and the blonde color. That is just so gorgeous. And then we have another hairstyle that features some bangs. So she's doing a DIY trimming here. Now, in general, another huge trend for the fall winter season is definitely bangs. So here we're gonna hop into another longer hair tutorial. Fall is also a good time to wear like braided inspired hairstyles, ponytails. So she's doing like a bubble ponytail here for this one. Very cute and fun hairstyle. And then we see this really stunning bob. I like the bold peachy, darker peachy orange hue that this has. And then we have a big chop transformation. So she has some curly roots, which means she is going to do a big chop and cut her hair into a shorter style to showcase more of her natural curls. So the stylist cuts the hair, and it looks like she's doing more of a bob, really showcasing those natural curls. She does a hair mask to add in some moisture. And curly hair needs a lot of moisture, so you want to make sure that you keep the hair nice and moist. Really cute, fresh curly style with a bob. And then here we have someone else doing a DIY cut. Looks like she's also doing a bob here. Now she didn't have to cut off much hair to achieve this length, so I think her doing a DIY was a great move. She also has some cute bangs going here. So fresh and fun. Very nice chic bob style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.